Hey everyone, welcome back to the Weekly Tech Roundup, your Friday dose of everything tech. I'm Brown, and today we've got some exciting updates, starting with OnePlus' big announcement about Oxygen OS 15. So let's jump in.
Before we head in, I need your help. Did you know that 99% of you watching right now aren't subscribed? That's almost all of you. If you're enjoying the content and want to keep up with all the latest tech updates, please hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and you'll never miss out on the latest news. Your support means the world.
OnePlus has officially confirmed the announcement of Oxygen OS 15, set for October 24th at 6 a.m. Eastern. This update promises smoother animations, a refreshed design, and AI enhancements aimed at boosting productivity and creativity. It's built on Android 15, which is already available for Pixel devices, and OnePlus is bringing its own twist to it. If you own a OnePlus device, here's what you need to know. Flagships like the OnePlus 12 and the 11 series will be among the first to get the update, while budget models like the Nord CE4 Lite might have to wait until early next year. OnePlus fans know the drill. Flagships get first dibs. So, mark your calendars for October 24th. OnePlus is set to reveal the new features and a rollout timeline. I'm curious about how much AI-powered creativity will actually enhance user experience. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited, or is it just another buzzword? Switching gears, Qualcomm just pulled the plug on their Snapdragon X Elite dev kit for Windows. This move comes after months of delays and changes. The $899 kit aimed to give developers a more affordable entry into the Copilot Plus ecosystem, but faced major setbacks. Tech reviewer Jeff Geerling gave the dev kit a less than stellar review, noting issues like swapped-out HDMI ports and unapproved resale labels. Qualcomm stated that the kit failed to meet our usual standards, which is corporate speak for not ready for prime time. It's a bummer for those hoping this would propel Windows on ARM forward. The alternatives now are pricier Copilot Plus devices, so if you were waiting for the dev kit, you're out of luck. That wraps up our main stories for today, but don't go anywhere, because it's time for Byte-Sized News, where we break down the latest tech headlines in quick bite-sized pieces. Let's dive in. First up, Amazon has unveiled its new Kindle lineup, featuring 4 new models that are sure to excite readers. Among them is the Kindle Colorsoft, the company's first-ever color e-reader, along with a revamped Kindle Scribe and the fastest Kindle Paperwhite yet. There's even an entry-level model available in a fresh matcha color. Prices start at just $109.99, making it a great time to upgrade your reading experience. Speaking of upgrades, Apple has released the 7th generation iPad mini, and it's packing the A17 Pro chipset. However, this chip is a slightly binned version compared to what you'd find in the iPhone 15 Pro. While it still delivers solid performance, power users might notice a difference. Pre-orders for the new iPad mini are now open at $499, making it an attractive option for those seeking a compact tablet. On the wearable front, Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Watch 5 Lite in Europe. This budget-friendly smartwatch boasts a stunning 1.96-inch AMOLED display, built-in GPS and Bluetooth calling, along with various health tracking tools. With a remarkable battery life of up to 18 days and waterproofing up to 5 ATM, it's priced at £39.99 in the UK and €49.99 in several EU countries. It's a great pick for those looking for a versatile smartwatch without breaking the bank. And finally, in the realm of gaming, the Quest 3S has emerged as the top-selling device in Amazon's video games category in the US, with the original Quest 3 holding down the number 3 spot. Currently, the only items outselling it are digital gift cards for popular platforms like PlayStation and Xbox. Meta's latest headset launched yesterday at an entry price of $300 and offers exciting mixed reality capabilities, ringless controllers, and upper body tracking. This launch looks promising for both the VR and mixed reality markets. That wraps up this week's Tech Roundup. Hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. I'll catch you next Friday with more tech news. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great weekend.